Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to Pepe update today. I'm going to actually try to trade Pepe, and you know the reason why I'm going to try to trade Pepe is of course due to the banking system. So the banking system says that sometimes you can just guess that a certain coin is creating a pattern, and it's a good idea to enter as early as possible when that pattern is forming. Okay, in simple words, I think we're going to have this pattern and eventually break above and then go to the upside. Now, instead of me waiting for the break to happen and then retest and take an entry, I'm actually just going to take an entry here and put a stop loss somewhere down here, okay? And then eventually try to see if I can actually ride this thing all the way to the upside. Now, this has actually been very successful for a couple of times. By the way, I don't know if you know I have an Instagram, but nowadays I'm actually finding some very funny few contents out there and I'm trying to make. For example, this one. Or this. Right? I don't know, man. It was fun. It's related to crypto. I don't know if you guys can relate to that. But yes, I do have an Instagram if you want to check that out. So I'm actually thinking of posting some few entertaining videos. I've actually posted one of them on YouTube as well, shorts. You can check that out as well. Now, that's it. That's all that I want to talk about Pepe. At the moment, you do have a little bit of something that almost looks like a bull flag, and hopefully we break above the flag here. So of course, yes, you may actually consider putting a stop loss here and then try to see if it can go all the way to the upside. And I'm going to see you the next one, Lofis.